What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today we're going to be working on replacing the carburetor, air filter, and spark plug on a Kohler SH265. I picked up all of this on Amazon for a little over $13. There'll be a link down below in the description. Let's get started. I don't think we're going to need too many tools other than a 10mm and some pliers. Take this wing nut off the top here. Slide that off, set it aside, pull the other wing nut, holds the air filter on right here. And the air filter is going to slide off. And there are two 10mm nuts right here. I'm going to pull those off. The reason I'm replacing this is because it has a fuel leak. And the kit was so cheap that I figured why not just replace it. Probably gonna spend just as much on gaskets. Swing that one over to on. And that slides off. You got a hose here. You wanna make sure that you get it back on there. We've got a spring going in up here. Hooks in on that. And a rod that hooks onto here. And then we have a hose here for the fuel. I'm gonna clamp that off so it doesn't all leak out because I think I got some fuel in there. Alright, so we're gonna spin that right there. Get this rod out of here. Maybe. Get the spring out. I can do that, that's for sure. Okay. Slide this fuel line out here so I can clamp it. Get this off first. Pretty stuck. Just hold it up here, just like that. It won't leak. Then we're gonna slide this out, and we'll be able to just lift that rod up into this slot here, just like this. Slide this gasket off. Actually, we'll slide the whole thing off. We'll get that gasket there too. Might as well. Came in the kit. Now that gasket's pretty stuck. Might have to get a razor blade and scrape it off. There's that one. I'm gonna go get a razor blade so we can clean this up. All right, we got that all cleaned up. Go ahead and slide it on. Like that. Slide this gasket on. Like. All right, now we're gonna slide the carburetor on. About halfway in, we're gonna slide that rod in right there. Grab this spring, slide it into there. There we go, just like that. Put this gasket on. Attach the fuel line there. Alright, slide that on. Put this clamp on. Like that. There we go. Now we're going to slide this air filter box back on. Make sure you put this hose here onto that barb there. Put these two 10mm screws on. Or nuts on, sorry. Don't go crazy tight. And we're gonna slide the new air filter on. Put on that wing nut. It is a tiny bit taller. Just a tiny bit. Alright, I'll put the old one back on. There we go. Now we got enough threads there. I will change the fuel filter if it has one and the spark plug, but right now my problem was the carburetor, and I want to check that carburetor because I just can't believe how cheap this was. So we're going to go ahead and try to start it up and see what happens. Turn the fuel on, chokes on, ignition's on, and we're going to start it up. Yeah, it's running great. I'm impressed. All right, and that's it. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching.